Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, front dual-zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and cruise control. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.